Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, it's not really a review, but it's something that I recently got and I really want to show you guys if you guys are interested. So this is the OLENS Welcome Kit. When I saw it on the website, I needed to get it straight away to show you guys because I thought it was a great deal or great promotion from OLENS. Basically with this, it's for those who are interested in trying OLENS and haven't tried before, or for those who have tried OLENS but don't want to pay the extra dollars to just get like a whole box or whatever, and you just want to have like a teaser of a few contact lenses. This would be great because it comes with 1 day prescription contact lens of your choice, which I will name them down below for you guys really soon, but also come with 3 pairs of contact lenses, 3 different types, and obviously they are randomly selected for you guys. So basically this is a great like a teaser to try OLENS contact lens out if you guys haven't tried already. And you guys know that I review a lot of OLENS contact lenses for you guys, so I thought by getting this and show you guys how it looks like, how the packaging and stuff looks like, maybe this will give you guys make you guys interested in getting one of this and try it out. So basically with this, like I said, it does come in a 1-day prescription, so it comes in like 20 pairs of your choice. So I will name a few selection for you guys. So obviously you can choose either the Spanish gray or the Spanish brown, which is like their most popular, their bestseller. And then you also can get the SECRISS 3-con coral or the gray ones, and then the Spanish circle, which I absolutely love, also 2 different colors. And also you can also get the Russian gold or silver, which I believe like with the Russian silver, that's when I heard of OLENS because I've seen people wearing it. Anyway, you can also get like the Vivi ring or the Misty Romantic or the Natural Day. So a few to choose from. So this is my box here, and you can see how beautiful this is. It says limited edition all over this box, and it just says OLENS Welcome Kit. And then when you open it up, voila, it looks like this. So the one that I chose for the 1 day is the Vivi ring in the shade Choco, because I already have my brown stock up in my drawer. So I was like, oh, this is the only one that I haven't stock up, and this is their latest edition for the 1 day. They first released like the 1 month, and now they have the 1 day. So yeah, if you guys are interested in close-up and stuff, I'll put it down below for you guys. Again, like I said, it comes in 20 contact lenses. So if you have the same eye power, this will last you for 20 days. Now the only downside to this promotion or this kit is that if you have 2 different eye power, you will need to get 2 welcome kit. But if you think about it, you get 2 different box, you probably get 6 different pairs of randomly selected contact lens. So maybe it's better. But if you have only the same eye power, then maybe this one it's good for you also, because only $34 altogether. Anyway, at the bottom it has 3 pairs of randomly selected contact lens down here for me. So the first one is the Spanish gray, which is obviously their bestseller, so I'm not surprised that it's in here. And then the SECRISS 3-con in the volume 2 natural gray, which I absolutely love because it's one of SECRISS 3-con has been one of the oldest contact lens I've tried from OLENS, so yeah. And then the next one is a 3-con SECRISS 3-con in volume 1 in the shade coral brown, which is beautiful as well. If you guys are wondering how all of these contact lenses look like on my eyes, I have done review for all of them, so I'll put it down in the description box below as for you as well, just in case you want to have a look how they look like before actually making your decision. I will also put it down below like all the contact lenses I've tried that that you can choose from the 1 day box, so you guys can see how they look like as well. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's not really a review or anything, it's just more of like telling you guys what's available in OLENS right now. So I will put the link down below where you guys can get this from. And again, this is limited edition, so I don't know how long this will last for, but before creating this video I already checked that they still have this available. So if you guys are interested, better get in quick and grab this if you guys are interested. Or if you guys have already get this and try it out, let me know down below what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.